Check, check, check 1, 2. It is Friday, October 14th, 2022. Had a massive reversal and rally yesterday. Just really strong rally and push off of long-term support on the overall market. The ES was an absolute beast as well, bottoming out here in the very early morning and then just driving higher all day for the rest of the day yesterday. And here we are up here at this top of this channel that we had established from a couple weeks ago, a week or two ago. I'm looking at potentially this area to get tested up here in the ES. I'm looking at this area potentially to get tested, maybe a reversal. I want to see what it looks like. Do we just scream through here? Are all my high and low tickers going to be highlighted in bright green as we break through this level to continue here? Are we going to revert off of this and come back in? A couple of bank earnings here this morning. So, and Microsoft is one of the ones I'm looking at too. 237 pre-market high. Let's take a look at Amazon. Here's Microsoft, JP Morgan approaching 15. Here's Microsoft, peaked above and then came straight back in. And that Microsoft, oof, up against that 236. That is also looking like a potential level to play off of. Actually bouncing off of that. My oh my. I am wondering if we can get this Microsoft between 236.50 and 237, maybe around this 236.75 against like 237.30. I'm going to do it smaller size, 236.75 against 237.60 as a reversion play. We'll see if we can get it up here, but may not. JP Morgan's still moving up. Not sure if I'll get this Microsoft up here at 236.75. JP Morgan above 15, still moving up higher. And at this point now, JP Morgan doesn't look like a fade. It looks like it's just breaking out above this level. Market's still in the middle of its area. What did Microsoft do? Are we able to get a pop on Microsoft? I'm wondering if I need to come down to 236.50s here. Or even 236. This JP Morgan, very strong push up here. Good volume, cracking this level. I just don't know if the market context here today supports it, but it's moving up. And here's Microsoft approaching 36. Can we get a squeeze back up to the high 36s? Let's see what happens there. If I do try the reversal on JP Morgan, I'm going to do it on small size. It's not Tesla's on lows. So the banks are on highs, which is interesting. The banks are on highs. Let's look at AMD and Apple and Tesla and Nvidia, Amazon, and Microsoft. Microsoft above 36. Coming up here, I might be able to get filled. I'm very close, 10 cents away from getting filled at 75 cents. Very, very close to getting filled up here. Oh my goodness, I did not get it. Wow, that came very close. I'm going to go down to the 60s, see if I can get it there. And I did not. And I got it right there. Short at, oh, I would have gotten my 75s too. Short at 64 cents here. I'm actually going to move Microsoft over here and JP Morgan over here. And Microsoft squeezing straight up. Have a 64 cent. And Amazon on highs. There goes JP Morgan back in. And this is actually the reversion play I wanted to see if I could play. There's Amazon on highs. I want to keep an eye on that. I'm going to set high a day there and then go back to JP Morgan. And Microsoft so far holding on. And this JP Morgan, I'm looking at this 1460 against like 1560. And JP Morgan coming right back in. And here comes Microsoft as well. Microsoft coming in. And where am I looking for cover? Down here at 35.70. Let's see if we can come back down in there. And JP Morgan came off of that really, really quickly. Reversing off of that. Did not give a lot of shots here. Let's see if we can get this Microsoft to come in down to 36. And here comes Microsoft down to 36. Gonna place something down here. Covered a little bit there. Trying to cover some more in the 70s. Didn't get it. Gonna try to cover another tiny bit here. Didn't get that either. Didn't get any of that down there. And a big pop. Let's see if we get it on this test here. And if we get back up to the 36.50s, I'm actually going to reload. And I'm flat, actually. I just got filled down there. And I am out of Microsoft. So played that pretty well, held to target. Nice little play. Didn't size up huge on that. But nice little reversion play there to start off the morning. I'll set a marker here.